GoPro stop capture video. GoPro stop video. Okay, apparently I don't have the right commands. All right, needless to say, that's the Fontainebleau hotel in front of you. The curved spot that you see to the right, that's where the original Goldfinger movie was filmed. It's a James Bond Goldfinger, so it's Ob Job. This tower right here is a new tower, this left one. But if you go and look at the Goldfinger movie, and I believe it was Roger Moore playing when Goldfinger was cheating in the card game, it took place there. Okay, we are turning on Collins Avenue again. And that is the Fontainebleau. Stop video.